les supporters. Et ça...
First do.
I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep, wonder if my body gets cold. Keep my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Okay, I rap with the certainty. I have a sense of urgency. A message. When internally I had some people burning me, but you see, I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously and actually, you think you fucking better see? I will outgrow you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you
First doom.
hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be next to me, I'm 5'10", bitch.
First doom.
What you say? Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick off, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick off, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
I can't contain it, I'm coming out with shit, man, all your music in a race. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a thing, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer.
What you say? I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do